Welcome all students. In this video, I am going to show you the combination of list box, combo box and label. Okay. So what my motto of this program? Now I will keep here state name. So see state name. So below state name, I will keep a list box, and in this list box we will provide some state name in India. Fine. When I will choose any of the state from here, there will be a combo box here, and in the combo box, the cities, important cities name will appear. Fine. So let's take one label here, cities. Okay. Here I am taking cities name. Fine. Means when I will select on the combo box, list box, any particular item, the respective cities will appear in this combo box. Fine. And when the particular city you choose here, then the population will appear here. Population you say. Suppose there is a label. Let's take a label, not to take text field, because we are not going to enter it. So here I am taking a label here, and in label I am writing population. So here I am taking label again to see the result. Fine. So this is what the thing we are going to do, and here we don't require any button and all. I am not taking anything. Fine. So now let me add some of the state name inside the list box. Now you run the program. By default there won't be any city name, state name. This is a previous program, it is running, students. So now I want to run this form 2. So I have to go to this program, and this program I have to specify here. Form 2. Okay. Remember, Control F5 to run the program. See, by default there is nothing, no state name is there in the list box. So let's feed some state name in the list box. So how can I feed? How I can feed? So just double click on this form. Okay, because when you open the form, that time the list box should be filled up with the state name. So you double click on the form, and here in form load you have to write the coding. How? Now list box 1 dot items dot add, you can specify here the city name, the state name. Suppose Odisha, first one I am giving. Same, I am just copying and feeding some of. Here I am writing suppose Bihar. Here I am giving suppose Andhra. Here I am giving suppose you say Delhi. Fine. And here I am giving as West Bengal. Okay. So these are the city. Now you run the program and check. Whether the cities are coming or not. The states are coming or not. See, it's coming. Fine. Let me add one more so that it looks nice. So I'm making here. Suppose you say UP. Okay, UP. Now you check. Now there will be a scroll bar automatically, because the data or the item goes more than the size of the list box. Fine. Now our motto is what? When I click on Bihar, the cities belonging to Bihar will be displayed here automatically. So how that we can do, all of you please notice. So for that, what I have to do, I have to double click on the list box. So double clicking on the list box, see, it is appearing here, list box 1 selected, index changed. So here we need to write the coding. So double clicking, we have to write the coding here. So we have to use here if conditional, because if I click on Odisha, the cities will be different, Bihar, the cities will be different. So because of that, the if condition we have to use. If list box 1 gets selected 0, it means what? Jodi, if you select the 0th index of the list box, in 0th index whom we kept? Odisha we kept. So if Odisha we select, then Bhubaneswar, Cuttack and some other cities will be displayed. Fine, 3 cities will be displayed, suppose. Understood? Now next one, if same thing I am just copying and pasting here. If the index is 1, it means which state you select? Bihar. So for Bihar we can write here Patna. Here I am write suppose Patliputra, and suppose I am writing anything, Darbhanga, anything, just I am giving here. Fine, some city's name. Same way for Andhra we have to specify. For suppose now I am writing for West Bengal. Suppose West Bengal, the place is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to make here, what I have to make here? 4. Fine. So 4 means it is West Bengal. So I can make here Kolkata, Darjeeling. Fine. And suppose say Jalpaiguri. Okay. So now let's run the program. Let's check how it is working. Just Control F5 I did to run the program. You check. If I'm clicking, see now nothing is there. If I'm clicking on Odisha, you see here. See the cities of Odisha will be displayed here. You click on Bihar. See, automatic the Odisha cities will get clear as we have written here the clear method, and the Bihar will be appeared. For Andhra we didn't wrote anything, for Delhi we didn't wrote anything, so there won't be any changes, students. West Bengal, now check, there will be changes again. Hope all of you are understanding the concept nicely. Now our motto is what? When I am selecting any city, automatic the population will display here. Okay, so let's do that. So now let's try for clicking on city name and population will appear of its own. Okay, so let's go to the design of that program. Double click on the combo box. Here you have to write the coding of combo box. Fine. So the coding will be if combo box dot selected item equal to BBSR. You see the first item is BBSR or not. Here the first item what we have added, whether it is BBSR or not, you check. Yes, it is BBSR. So here you have to write, if it is BBSR, then text box 1. It is not text box 1 actually, it is level 3 I think so. Check it. Level 1, level 2, 3 and 4. So 4. So level 4 dot text equal to any number you feed as the population. Fine. Okay, done. Next, what you have to do for the next city? Next city you have to do how? Just copy this and paste BBSR. Then what we wrote after BBSR? CTC. So you can make here CTC and you can change the value here. Fine. So this is how you have to continue for all. Okay. This we did for whom? If the get selected 0. Fine. If combo box 1 is get selected 0, means the list box, if this is from the list box, we have chosen Odisha and here we have chosen BBSR, then what will appear? That it says. Fine. Next, let's continue. So let's check first whether it is working properly or not. Running the program. Let's check Odisha, Cuttack. See, the value is changing. BBSR, the value is changing. It means it is working fine. It is working properly. Now we have to do for next state suppose. So I have to copy this and I can copy here, paste it. So what for? Now we have to write 1. So this 0 stands for what, students? Odisha. 1 stands for what? After Odisha, what you wrote in list box? after Odisha, what you wrote? Bihar you wrote. So for Bihar we are going to do. So Bihar, the first city name what you wrote? Patna. So you make there, you make here Patna. Fine. So then you change the value. Then after Patna, what? Patliputra. Your spelling has to be correct, students. Here Patna, the spelling what you gave, it has to match with the Patna here. Same way Patliputra, I am just copying and pasting in spite of writing. Spelling has to be correct. You try to understand the concept, students, very nicely. How it is working. Otherwise, you will get confused with this. Okay, let's check whether it is working or not. Choosing Bihar. I am choosing here Patna. See, the value is changing. I gave here 999, so it is showing. Next, Patliputra, value. See, next one, nothing we gave. Darbhanga, nothing it's supposed to show. So, because of there is no coding, so it is showing the previous one. Understood? You have to fill up all. Okay. Hope all of you understood. Thereafter, we tried for West Bengal. So, for that, what we have to do, we can copy this entire coding and here we can paste it. And West Bengal, the serial was 4. How can you know? From here you can check 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, if it is 4, the first city what you wrote? Kolkata. As I remember, your spelling has to be correct. You check here, Kolkata. Fine. So, I wrote here Kolkata. Then the spelling, the city, the population you have to specify. Then after Kolkata, Darjeeling was there. Darjeeling spelling, that copy from here. Always try to keep the same spelling. Otherwise, it won't work. It won't be able to work because it won't be able to recognize. So Control F5 to run. We have inputted the data of 3 states, Odisha. See, Kotak, it is showing. Now suppose I am checking on West Bengal. I will get here what? Kolkata, Darjeeling. So Darjeeling, value changing. Same way going to Bihar. Okay, the value is changing. So this is how the combo box and the radio button can be used in C#.NET. Hope all of you understood the concept nicely. Thank you.